If you're encountering the Cloud Save Error 2025 in League of Legends, follow these steps to resolve the issue and regain access to your game data. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to ensure there are no ongoing outages or maintenance that could be causing the error. Step 2. Restart the game. Close League of Legends completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your League of Legends client is fully updated. Launch the client and allow it to download any available updates, as outdated versions can lead to errors. Step 4. Clear cache. Navigate to the League of Legends installation folder and delete the config folder. This will reset your settings and may fix the cloud save error. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to League of Legends support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying League of Legends. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support team.